Yo, what's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back with a hit and smash and a banger, you know, people. You see what we're doing to the people, yeah, man. We're working in a music lab today with two artists where one of them is new to the channel and the other we've reacted to before. Yeah, man, today we got The Nine and Jada Kingdom with a new song entitled Turn Me On. You see me? And you see me, we're going to check it out and see if it's a dope track today. Y'all know why we reacting to this. You don't know. Jada Kingdom, Muma Heavy. Come on, now. We're going to check it out and see what's going today. Yeah, man, this video was out there going viral on social media where like people was going on about the youth acting towards Jada Kingdom, all this type of stuff. But so we're going to check it out and see what's going. Yeah, but before we even jump into that, guys, let me go ahead and ask, man, how y'all doing today, man? Y'all been taking care of yourself? Y'all been staying prayed up, been drinking your water, you been staying on your purpose, man. You been taking steps towards your goals. Make sure you know you only have one life to live, you know, guys. So make sure now make use of it and make it every day count. You see me? Yeah, man, guys. So, but yeah, man, today we're gonna check out this video today, man, from The Nine and Jada Kingdom and see what's going on. You see me? So you already know. But before we jump into that, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, join the latest reaction channel on YouTube, man. Come join the family. Be your vibes, be your energy over here. So the reaction them mad. You see me, the tune them sick. You see me, and you don't know. So come join the latest reaction family on YouTube. You see me, you don't want to miss out. Yeah, man. So yeah, man. Well, yeah, man, guys, we're gonna jump in at the track right now, and we're gonna hold up the vibes much longer. Yeah, man, like I said. This should be an interesting video. I don't know like Jada Kingdom over here. So you see me, Mama Heavy. You see me, she always do her thing. You see me, everybody love Jada Kingdom. You see me. But yeah, man, we're gonna jump in at the track. This is The Nine, Jada Kingdom, Turn Me On. Let's get it.
Me know you just want my good punani. Show them other girl gear when you want it.
No, facts. You tell no lies. She told no lies.
You have a vibe and I can't ignore it. I will bless you if you're working for it.
Anytime you ready, girl, just say the word.
Yeah, man, just say a word, mama. I want to you. You ain't ready for this, you ain't ready, you know, man. You see me come.
She and a second night.
Never. Yeah. No, sir, not me. Me, I got no time for them energy.
My girl, why pre? Come here, just wind up your body.
Me, I gonna need a breaking if you want to show me out.
Wow, hold on. What kind of golden thing you depend, boy? You're gonna need a breaking if you want. What? No bother with it. No, now we dance. Don't bring that type of energy. Don't enough with dancehall, Jada. Don't bother with it. You see me, you been power with Summer Walker and what the other one name, me and that Asian doll, you been power with them girl too long. Don't be lead you astray, mama. No bother with it.
You gon' need a break, it come a goodly break, yeah.
Better stop it chatting, cause that turn me on. Turn me on.
For real, man, too much chatting.
Turn me on.
Need a real nigga now, not no phony. I'm a #1 girl, me a trophy.
Let me know.
Real niggas right here. What's wrong with you, bro? You're blind? Okay, you're blind?
Me know say this how you want. Me know say me alone enough.
Me go pick it up and drop it like enough is not enough. If me make her get my pussy, then you know you have to cuff.
Me and grab your body, slap it up and make a little snap. Cock it up and set it good and then you throw it back.
No sir, not me. Me I got no time for them energy.
My girl, why pre? Come here, just wind up your body.
Me gon' need a breaking if you want to show me out. You gon' need a
bad energy that you come with, but need a breaking if you want. Hey, be yourself. Now come with them bad energy over here, okay? Yeah, man. But guys, this is a nice vibe though. It's a nice track. You see me, the flow and everything is a summer vibe for real, man. Yeah, man. Go ahead, yeah, man. Jada, do your thing.
Better stop it chatting, cause that turn me on.
I ain't gonna care. I don't like how she got all them tattoos, bro.
I know you love it every time.
I don't like how she got all them tattoos, bro. Make her look, you see me? They them tattoos they make you look cheap now, my girl. You look better before, mama. You just mash up yourself a little bit. You still look good, yeah, but you mean like, yeah, man. You make, nah.
Got some niggas just a dirty on my mind. Cause you know me love it when the legs divide. Full time now me get the proper wine.
Oh, you feel too busy. You're too blood clot like come see me. Cause you know me no one watch no TV. Come rub up on my
yeah, man, she not come my yard for watch no TV. Yeah, that is.
body like a genie. We gon' make a porno.
Easy no more. Jano, you shouldn't get all of them tattoo there, but go on still. You see me?
No, sir, not me. Me, I got no time for them energy.
My girl, why pre? Come here, just wind up your body.
Me gon' need a break, and if you want to show me out, you gon' need a break, it come a goodly break, yeah.
Better stop with chatting, cause that turn me on.
What you mean?
Turn me on, turn me on.
Yeah, man, it's a vibe, it's a vibe.
Yeah, twinkle.
It's a vibe. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, Jada Kingdom, the 9. Yeah, man, you know the digital thing. You see me? Yeah, digital thing. You see me? You see me? It's a summer vibe. I know the girls gonna like this. You see me? It's a nice song. It's a nice vibe, nice summer song. You can play this with your girl like like thing. Your girl gonna like to play the intro. You know what I'm saying? It's a vibe. Yeah, man. Big up to the 9 and Jada Kingdom. Yeah, man, that was a nice collab. Yeah, the chemistry was there. The energy was there. They made a good. You see me? That was a good collab. Yeah, man. So people know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me? Go ahead and drop the. Yeah, see me, go ahead and drop the comments. Let me know what your favorite part was, the song, the lyrics, melody, whatever it was, the video. Let me know in that comment section. And also, if you like it, go show the artist some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco dance. Sending out the links will be in the description. And make them know so we're strong over here. So you see me as well. And let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. You see me, you're gonna see your comments on the screen. And you're gonna get your shout out, all that you don't know. Until next time, guys, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here tonight, hit on smashing up banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.